This is a review for a charging pad with a QI wireless station on it. I was initially concerned of getting something without removable slots, but this setup actually works really well, and I'm very happy with how sturdy it is when heavy things are only on one end. So the first reason, well, the primary reason why we got this one is because it has a charging pad here for phones with QI ability, and it goes on very quickly. And I'll just take each item off on here to show you how stable it stays with only one item on the back end. So things are not removable, but I do find the slots to be of good size. I'm just going to disconnect each one individually. So of course you see this is pretty thin. Now this one is leaning because it's in a case and it doesn't fit in quite as well. You can still see it's not falling over and everything still fits. But one way, if you have this kind of case, and this is on a Kindle, so the charging port is on a different side than the iPad back here, is if you take it, flip it around, and put it in that way, and just use a longer cord for here, then that will fit just fine if you want it to face the other way. But it's not an issue for us, and we can use the cords that came with it, which is 2 USB Android style and 2 iPhone style cords. The next one, this is just a regular iPad, not in the case. So you see that it has plenty of space here. And there's a side view of how it fits in its own slot. And the last one here is our iPad in a case. So I have it turned backwards so that we can reach the port over on this side. And as you can see, it's leaning, but even as heavy as that iPad is in that case, this is still very stable. So there are no stability issues that I actually had with the things with the removable slots. So see, it's a little snug in there just because of the width of these cases, but otherwise it's not an issue at all. So I like how there's some changes in the size there. It kind of catches those as it goes, and you can see it changes all the way back, so you can kind of configure what devices you put where based upon that and the stability of it. Here's my hand for size reference. It comes with 4 cords. Like I said, if you want to change some of your configurations, just do one of your longer cords, and the phone connects quite well. And it is a very sturdy piece that has been charging all of our essential items at that time quite well. Thank you.